Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to find your Discord bot token. First, head over to the Discord developer portal. This is where you manage all your applications. Once there, you'll either create a brand new application or select one you've already started working on. After choosing your application, look for the Bot section in the left-hand menu. This is your next crucial step. Now, within the Bot tab, you'll see an option to Add Bot. Click that and Discord will generate a unique bot user for your application. Below the bot's username, you'll find the Tokens section. If you ever lose track of it or suspect it's been compromised, you can easily reset it here. Just click Copy to grab your token. You'll need this for your bot's code. Your bot token is essentially the password for your bot, so keeping it secure is paramount. Never, under any circumstances, share this token publicly, whether in code repositories, chat logs, or anywhere else. Treat it like a sensitive credential. This token is what allows your bot to log in and interact with the Discord API, so proper handling is critical for its operation and your account's safety. Always remember to regenerate your token immediately if you suspect it has been exposed or compromised. For best security practices, store your bot token in environment variables rather than hard-coding it directly into your application. This prevents accidental exposure. Also, make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. Check the description below for a link to these and other great deals to help you out.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.